Hello, my name is Michael Engel, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Central Missouri, and my research revolves around crayfish, or crawdads, or mud buggers, or whatever you know them by. Crayfish are very important organisms because they have large effects on the aquatic ecosystems they reside in. They increase organic matter processing rates, freeing up energy for other organisms, and are a large component in both aquatic and terrestrial food webs. Despite this importance, little is known about the physical habitat use of crayfishes. Crayfish can live in a wide variety of habitats, but each species generally exhibits some level of habitat preference. Previous research has shown that habitat preferences of some species, but microhabitat use among species is still not well understood. My research looks at the microhabitat characteristics and possible partitioning among native crayfishes in Bull Creek by quantifying abiotic habitat variables. This was achieved by sampling crayfish from the Bull Creek watershed in riffles, runs, and pools. Crayfish were collected with a 1 square meter quadrat sampler, and relevant information on the crayfishes and their abiotic habitat were collected. A total of 1,399 crayfish were collected, with the two most abundant species being Faxonius neglectus and Faxonius ozarki, but the state-imperiled Faxonius williamsi was also encountered. From these preliminary results, F. ozarki occupied pool habitats more often than runs or riffles, but there was no difference in F. neglectus habitat occupancy among the three habitat types. Using a forward stepwise general linear regression with the abundance data suggested that adult F. neglectus were more abundant in colder, deeper water, while juvenile F. neglectus were more abundant in shallower water, specific streams, and specific sampling sites. These preliminary findings suggest F. ozarki may be a habitat specialist preferring pools over other habitats, where F. neglectus appears to be more of a habitat generalist, occupying all habitats. The inclusion of variables in the stepwise model indicates that there are still unmeasured factors that are important for determining abundances of juvenile F. neglectus. This could be due to unsampled factors such as competition or life history, and would likely require additional sampling to better understand. Ozark streams are experiencing habitat degradation, largely connected to sediment inputs from land use practices in the area. This sediment is settling in the stream and is covering interstitial spaces and substrate. This reduces habitat for crayfishes using those areas of the stream and could lead to the local extirpation or extinction of these habitat specialist species, which provide a large ecological service. It is important to study and understand these crayfish habitat associations, particularly to assist in the conservation of rare species in the face of this widespread habitat degradation across the Ozarks. Thank you.